If your shower glass has gone cloudy and filmy, and no matter how hard you scrub it just will not come clean, there is a simple answer sitting in your kitchen cupboard right now. It is plain white vinegar, the same cheap bottle you probably already have for cooking, and it can melt that stubborn haze right off the glass in one afternoon. You do not need a special cleaner, and you definitely do not need to think about replacing the glass. Stick with me, because in the next few minutes I will show you exactly how to use it, how long to let it sit, and the one small trick that makes that cloudy buildup wipe away easily instead of fighting you the whole time. Let's start by talking about what that cloudy film actually is, because once you understand it, the whole cleaning process makes a lot more sense. That haze is not dirt in the way we usually think of dirt. It is mostly mineral buildup left behind by hard water. Every time water evaporates off the glass, it leaves behind tiny traces of calcium and other minerals. Over weeks and months, those traces stack up into a thin, hard layer. Mixed in with that, you often have a bit of soap scum, which forms when soap and body wash react with those same minerals in the water. The two combine into a film that clings to the glass and gets harder over time. This is exactly why regular glass cleaner or an all-purpose spray usually does not touch it. Those cleaners are made to lift away smudges, fingerprints, and light grime. They are not made to break down mineral deposits. You can spray and wipe all day with that kind of cleaner and barely make a dent because you are not dealing with surface dirt. You are dealing with a hardened mineral layer that needs something acidic to dissolve it. That is where vinegar comes in, and it is also why this simple pantry staple works so much better here than most store-bought sprays. White vinegar is a mild acid. When it touches those mineral deposits, it reacts with them and starts to break the bond holding them to the glass. It does not need to be fancy or strong. Plain distilled white vinegar, the same kind sold in almost every grocery store, is exactly what you want. You do not need apple cider vinegar or anything flavored, and you do not need to buy a large jug if you only have one shower to treat. A regular bottle will do the job just fine. Now let's talk about how to actually use it, because the method matters just as much as the vinegar itself. The simplest and most reliable approach is to pour the vinegar straight onto the glass, or to warm it slightly first for a bit of extra cleaning power. Warming the vinegar is optional, but a lot of people find it works a little faster when it is warm rather than cold, straight from the bottle. You can warm it gently in a saucepan on the stove or heat it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. You just want it warm to the touch, not boiling, since you will be handling it directly. Once your vinegar is ready, pour it into a spray bottle if you have one on hand. This makes it much easier to apply evenly across the whole shower door or wall without wasting any. If you do not have a spray bottle, you can still pour the vinegar directly from the bottle onto a cloth, or even pour it straight onto the glass in sections, working your way across a little at a time. Either method works. The spray bottle is just a bit tidier and easier to control. Spray or pour the vinegar generously over the cloudy areas of the glass, making sure to cover every part of the film. Do not be shy with it. You want the glass fully wet with vinegar so it can really soak into that mineral layer. For extra stubborn spots, especially areas near the bottom of the door where water tends to sit and evaporate, you can lay a paper towel or a soft cloth soaked in vinegar directly against the glass. This keeps the vinegar in constant contact with the surface instead of running off right away, which gives it more time to do its job. This next part is important, so let's talk about timing. Once the vinegar is applied, you need to let it sit for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This waiting period is where the real work happens. The acid needs time to soften and loosen those hardened mineral deposits before you try to wipe anything away. If you rush this step and wipe too soon, you will end up scrubbing hard against a film that has not softened yet. And that is when people get frustrated and start reaching for harsher chemicals they do not need. For shower doors with a heavy, long-standing haze that has built up over a year or more, you may want to let the vinegar sit even longer, up to a full hour. If you are using the paper towel or cloth method, this is especially easy, since the cloth holds the vinegar in place and keeps the glass wet the whole time instead of drying out. Some people like to do this overnight for really tough cases, applying the vinegar-soaked cloths before bed and wiping everything down in the morning. There is nothing wrong with letting it sit that long. Vinegar is gentle enough that it will not damage your glass or your shower fixtures even with extended contact. While you are waiting, this is a good time to mention something people often overlook. Vinegar has a fairly strong smell, and while it is completely safe, you may want to run a fan or crack a window in the bathroom while it sits. The smell fades quickly once you rinse everything off, so there is nothing to worry about, but a bit of fresh air makes the whole process more pleasant, especially if you are stepping in and out of the bathroom while you wait. Once your time is up, it is time for the actual cleaning, and this is where that little trick I mentioned earlier comes in. Instead of just wiping the vinegar off with a dry cloth, take a non-scratch scrub sponge, the kind with a soft side and a slightly rougher side, and gently work it over the glass in small circular motions. The vinegar has already loosened the mineral film, so you are not scrubbing against a hard surface anymore. You are simply helping lift away buildup that has already softened and separated from the glass. This is why the waiting step matters so much. Skip it, and you are fighting a hard surface. Do it properly, and the film comes away with very little effort. As you work the sponge over the glass, you will likely start to notice a change right away. Areas that looked foggy and dull will begin to turn clear again, almost like watching a window get wiped clean after being covered in dust. For particularly stubborn spots, you can add a little extra vinegar directly onto the sponge as you go, which gives you a fresh boost of cleaning power exactly where you need it. Once you have gone over the whole surface, rinse the glass thoroughly with warm water. This washes away both the vinegar and the loosened mineral residue, leaving the glass clean and ready for the final step. After rinsing, take a dry microfiber cloth or a clean soft towel and dry the glass completely. This step matters more than people realize, because if you let the glass air dry on its own, new water spots can start forming immediately, which somewhat defeats the purpose of all that work you just did. Drying it by hand gives you a genuinely streak-free, clear finish. If you still see a bit of haze in certain spots after this first pass, do not worry. This simply means that area had a thicker buildup and it may need a second round. Reapply the vinegar to just those spots, let it sit for another 15 minutes or so, and repeat the same gentle scrubbing and rinsing process. Most shower doors are fully clear after one thorough treatment, but older glass with years of buildup sometimes needs 2 passes to get all the way back to that original clarity. For anyone dealing with really heavy, long-term buildup, there is one more trick worth mentioning. After you apply the vinegar and let it sit, sprinkle a small amount of baking soda directly onto your scrub sponge before you start wiping. When the baking soda meets the leftover vinegar, it creates a light fizzing reaction, and that gentle fizzing action helps lift away even more stubborn deposits without you needing to scrub any harder than before. This is completely optional, and most people will not need it, but it is a helpful extra step for glass that has not been cleaned properly in a very long time. Now that your glass is clear again, let's talk about how to keep it that way, because this is honestly the part that saves you the most time and effort down the road. The main reason shower glass gets cloudy in the first place is that water sits on the glass and evaporates, leaving mineral deposits behind every single time. If you can stop that evaporation process from happening in the first place, you stop the cloudiness from building back up. The easiest way to do this is to keep a small squeegee in your shower, the same kind used for cleaning windows. After every shower, take just 15 or 20 seconds to run the squeegee down the glass, clearing away the standing water before it has a chance to evaporate and leave a new layer of minerals behind. This one small habit makes an enormous difference over time. Instead of letting buildup accumulate for months, you are wiping it away daily before it ever gets the chance to harden. If a squeegee is not something you want to deal with, a simple dry towel works almost as well. Just give the glass a quick wipe down after your last shower of the day. It only takes a moment, and it prevents the vast majority of new mineral buildup from ever forming. Another helpful habit is keeping a small spray bottle of diluted vinegar right in the shower, mixed about half vinegar and half water. After you squeegee or towel off the glass, give it a light mist of this mixture once or twice a week. This adds a thin, protective layer that makes it harder for new mineral deposits to stick. It takes only a few seconds and can stretch out the time between deep cleanings by months. It also helps to think about your water itself. If you live in an area with particularly hard water, you may notice this cloudy buildup happens faster than it does for other people, and that is completely normal. Hard water simply carries more minerals, so it leaves more behind every time it evaporates. If this is a recurring issue in your home, the vinegar method will still work every single time you use it, but keeping up with the squeegee habit becomes even more valuable, since it stops that heavier mineral load from settling in the first place. One last thing worth mentioning is that this same method works beautifully on other glass surfaces around the house too. Cloudy glass shower enclosures, hard water spots on windows, and even foggy glass tabletops outdoors can all benefit from the same basic approach. Apply vinegar, let it sit, then gently wipe it away. Once you see how well it works in the shower, you may find yourself reaching for that same bottle of vinegar for all sorts of other cloudy glass around your home. So, to sum it all up, that stubborn cloudy film on your shower glass is simply hardened mineral buildup, and it responds beautifully to something as simple and inexpensive as plain white vinegar. Apply it generously, give it time to sit and soften that buildup, gently wipe it away with a non-scratch sponge, rinse well, and dry the glass by hand for a truly clear finish. Then, keep up a quick daily habit of squeegeeing or towel drying the glass to stop new buildup from forming in the first place. It is a simple routine, but it makes a real difference. And there is something genuinely satisfying about watching that hazy glass turn clear again, using nothing more than a bottle you already have at home.